What's happening, everyone? In today's tips, I'm going to be talking about how you, as a videographer or a creative in general, can get more work and longer lasting contracts. Number one major key is to give more value than just a creative video. Don't think like typical videographers, as in they get so immersed in creating the video and the creative of the video that they forget the purpose of the video. What is the video there to do? Why do they want you to create this video? The principle is you start with the end in mind, in the sense of what does the client want to happen as a result of somebody watching this video. There's only ever two outcomes that can happen as a result of watching a video. It's either going to lead to the generation of sales of a product or a service, which is marketing, or it's going to be the long-term factor of branding, which is winning hearts and minds. As you guys know, sometimes clients get caught up in the instant gratification of wanting sales right away, and before they've even built a relationship with anyone or anyone's even aware of their brand. Now, I say it's important for people to play the long game, which is brand equity, to build their brand to the point where people come to them. But a lot of people don't understand this, and they're always asking for the call to actions out of a video like straight away. One of the things that you can do as a videographer is educate the client on optional routes. Find out what is the end, what do they want to happen as the end result, and give them alternative routes along with a better way of doing the route that they want to do. That way you're giving options and you're educating and you're becoming an advisor in this, because don't forget, you're the creative. Although they might have ideas on what would work, you're the creative on what would work. Now, this is obviously stepping into a different zone from videography, because not all people that do video are educated in marketing and branding, which is two different aspects. But if you can add these two skills to what you have to offer to the marketplace, it's going to higher your value in the marketplace. Therefore, when you go in to do a video and you create this video, which is going to be good if you're creating good videos, and you're also advising and giving extra value, they are then going to offer you other contracts. They're going to offer you long-term contracts because they want to keep you within their team. And this is the end goal. You want to become an advisor and a part of different businesses so that you can help them, and it gives you more stability as a videographer as well, because obviously you're getting regular income rather than thinking this month I've got to look for this amount of videos to produce them and those types of things. I know the problems a lot of videographers go into, but I like to focus on the marketing aspect. I'm a marketer first and then I'm a videographer, if that makes sense. So by doing that, I get regular work, and it's always consistent work and consistent contracts. So I help people on a regular with loads of other things. I might help them with their website. I might help them with the future aspects of the branding and the customer journey. I might help them with how we can win hearts and minds and establish a bigger cause to the business and get a following like that, to the point where they even have other people that consume these videos that will become brand ambassadors for them because they've seen these videos. Now, in next week's episode, I'm going to talk about the difference between marketing and branding, because this is something that's often not understood, especially within the video and creative space. There's a lot of people that don't get it, and especially with the digital age and the way things are changing and things like that, people get it mixed up. But I'm going to do another video in the future, possibly next week, so look out for that one. Now, if you're new to the videography world and you haven't got much of a reputation within your area or within your field, then it's great to do some work for free. And yeah, I did say free. Like, although it's frowned upon sometimes within the videography world, this gives you a chance to prove your worth, to prove your value. Now, when you do this free work, you're going to be looking for other opportunities to give value to this company. So it might be the marketing side, it might be the branding side. You might look at their website and see that they've got videos within their website, but they don't do the best in winning hearts and minds and showing the bigger cause of what they're trying to achieve. Because you'll be surprised how many times you'll go into a business, and even though they've got an internal marketing team, they don't know how to do branding or marketing. They're more on the side of, like, say, PR or traditional marketing or things like that. Whereas the digital age, the game has changed. There's a lot of people that used to do old-fashioned marketing that are now switching to the digital without understanding it or being a practitioner in it. So they're unable to educate the company or change the company to how they need to market in the current year that they're living. So you're gonna have that chance to go in there and help them. Now I'm not saying you go in there and be boastful and arrogant and things like that. You work as a team. You don't show nobody up. You don't like go in there and say you're doing this wrong. You help people, you guide people, you advise people. You are there as a part of a team. You're not there to take over. And you need to go there with that mindset, because it's all about helping people, and the more people you help and make their life easier, the more they're going to want to keep you around, because it makes their work easier and helps them with their workload. Today's one was just a quick short one, but I just wanted to make sure that I got something out to you guys that's worth something and that will help you. But if you like this video and you got some value from it, like and subscribe the video, and also share it with someone that you think that this will be valuable to, and let them know about it. If you've got some other tips that people might find useful in securing long-term contracts, leave them in the comments below, because there's going to be some people around that might not know the things that you know. So it's all about sharing and building that community where everyone shares everything.